And final competitor in the team division, from Washington, D.C., we have Fidgety Feet.
When I got a call, a desperate plea from my old friend Paul. He said, my cousin Mildred's here from out of state. I gotta fix her up with a blind date.
Mildred, won't you behave?
Well, I was feeling pretty good when I got to the dance. I checked out the prospects for new romance. But there was Paul with this gal in tow, all frizzy hair with a big plaid bow. I said to myself, I'll just say hi, I'll waltz her around and then bye-bye. But to my surprise, she said,
greetings, Gate. Are you a solid sender? Let's activate.
She took a mini correspondence course, 12 easy lessons guaranteed, of course. Mildred, won't you behave?
Well, I was out of my depth. I knew in a hurry with the box step I learned from Arthur Murray.
She grabbed his collar and she spun him round. She flipped him over and she knocked him down. Mildred, won't you behave?
The first to cut in, then Bernard took Millie for a test spin.
She Susie cued and she trucked on down. The cats all cheered as she went to town. Mildred, won't you behave?
When Lee Moore threw her upside the ceiling, the whole darn place was rocking and reeling.
She took the gators on 2 by 2. She even danced with a nickaroo. Mildred, won't you behave? Hoy, 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 Millie, now don't you get silly. Hoy, 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 Millie, oh, silly Millie. Mildred, won't you behave?
Now Millie and me were tight as can be.
She took 12 lessons and she gave him 3. Hoy, hoy, Millie, now don't you get silly.